So apparently there's something in that cake, and he used it to escape. And then I got fired. Pretty lame, huh? Yeah, I don't really like this.
Please, shut up.
Oh, I was just trying to have a conversation. Ah! I was just trying to have a conversation. I gotta warn someone. Sir? You might want to come look at this. I'm getting chaos readings at 10.6. It's coming from the museum.
My God, it's over 9?
Yeah.
I'm leaving this decision up to you, Corporal. Just hit one of those buttons to deal with this pressing situation.
Who's watching TV? Get back to work! Hey, look, Penny.
You know how many reflectors are.
And after that, they just up and arrested him.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
Whoa. We got a breach headed towards the medieval section. Roger that. We're preparing to engage, over.
And after that, they just up and arrested him.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, that's when I decided I should probably get a different job. I figured night guarding is much less dangerous than driving a...
Crap. Wait. No, Johnny! Officer down, repeat, officer down! Wave the ball of your head, wanker! Sir, place your hands where I can see them.